Welcome to my channel. 192.168.1.1 login page not opening? Try these quick fixes. Step 1. Check router connection. Make sure your device is properly connected to the router via Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Step 2. Enter correct IP address. Type 192.168.1.1 correctly in the browser address bar, not in Google search. Step 3. Try alternative IPs. Some routers use different IPs like 192.168.0.1, 192.168.31.1. Step 4. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Step 5. Use a different browser. Try opening the login page in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 6. Clear browser cache. Clear cookies and cache, then try accessing the page again. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and retry. Step 8. Check device IP address. Make sure your device IP is in the same network. Windows. Use ipconfig in command prompt. Look for default gateway. Step 9. Disable firewall temporarily. Turn off firewall or antivirus temporarily, as it may block access. Step 10. Reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, last option. This will erase all settings. Thanks for watching.